Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to export your gradebook from Schoology to save it in your computer. You can go to the gradebook, then here we have the marks that for your students. Then you go here this three dots, click on it, then you click export. Then you choose gradebook as CSV. It will be export to Excel file. Then you click next. Then you choose save the file. Then you press OK. Where you want to save it, you can choose where you want to save it in your computer. Okay, for example, I'm going to save it here. Then I click save. You can open now the file, and here we are. This is the grades. You can do it to make a backup for yourself every week if you want. That's all. Thank you.